What a day. Hey, what are you doing over there?
I'm looking for a new car to buy.
Oh, really? Have you considered buying an electric vehicle?
I have, but I've heard that they're expensive to own.
Oh, really? Well, I'm about to blow your mind. Hi, my name is Mark Finlay, and I'm an energy analyst with the Tennessee Department of Environment and Conservation. One of the most important factors for any prospective car buyer to consider is the total cost of ownership of their new vehicle. Today, I'm going to discuss some of the most common misconceptions regarding the total cost of ownership of an electric vehicle.
Aren't electric vehicles way more expensive to buy?
While it's true that there are some electric vehicle models that come with a lofty price tag, particularly from some of the luxury manufacturers, the reality of the situation is that there are a number of affordable options for the average consumer.
Many of these compact and mid-size EVs, such as the Hyundai Ioniq, Volkswagen e-Golf, Nissan Leaf, and the Fiat 500e, still qualify for a federal EV tax credit of up to $7,500, which can bring the price down of a new EV to similar to or less than a comparable gas-powered model.
Additionally, as the EV market continues to age, there are more and more used electric vehicles hitting lots around the country, making buying used a more realistic option for prospective buyers.
But won't an electric vehicle cause my utility bill to skyrocket?
Most sources say that up to 80 to 90% of electric vehicle charging is done at the driver's home. While this will cause electricity bills to go up, this is more than offset by the savings that the driver will receive by not filling up at the gas pump.
Using an average electricity cost in Tennessee of 10.78 cents per kilowatt hour, an EV driver can expect to pay only around 3.1 cents per mile for fuel. A gasoline vehicle driver spending $2.20 per gallon on fuel with a 28 mile per gallon car will pay 7.9 cents per mile.
For someone that drives 15,000 miles per year, this results in an annual savings of $720 in fuel costs alone.
But I've heard that electric vehicles are more expensive to maintain and repair.
Electric vehicles have some unique characteristics that inherently help keep them in working condition.
The regenerative braking systems used in electric cars allow for energy to be recovered and stored back in the battery as the vehicle slows down, a boon to efficiency, which also reduces wear and tear on the mechanical braking systems.
All electric vehicles typically require less maintenance than conventional vehicles due to fewer fluids that have to be changed and replaced, such as oil or transmission fluid, as well as the lack of a conventional engine, meaning that there are fewer moving parts.
AAA's most recent Your Driving Costs report found that EVs had the lowest maintenance repair costs of any category studied at 6.6 cents per mile, 26% lower than an average vehicle.
How long does the battery last? I heard that they're expensive to replace.
Electric vehicles are federally mandated to carry separate warranties for their battery packs for at least 8 years or 100,000 miles. As many EVs have reached at or beyond this threshold, we're seeing that batteries can retain their charge even as the mileage surpasses 6 figures.
As rapid advancements have and will continue to be made in the recent and coming years, new EV owners can feel assured that they'll get just as much life out of their batteries as they would out of any conventional engine.